Ah, beautiful rainy day, and here we are. Ugh, rain. This place has changed a lot since the last time you've seen it, guys. That's why I haven't done a lot of videos. Look at that, Jeeps. We got Jeeps all over the place here. You guys remember the Monty. What am I driving? Sequoia. From California. 298,000 miles on it. This thing runs and drives perfect. It was a trade-in. Let's find our key here to get into the place. Just kind of want to give you guys a good thorough update of what's going on around here. Rain, rain, go away. It's been a zoo here. Darkness, GTO. See guys, I told you I'd give you more videos on this car. I haven't really worked on it. Been busy. Look at this rust. Got an Escalade. Another Jeep. Got a 16 Ram with an Eco Diesel in it. Look at that. Yep. Took a little dinker in the wheel. I pulled the bumper out a little bit and wait for the insurance company to get here. I wrote this thing for about $6,000. Turn on the old computer. All right. So this is what we got going on. Let's see if I could show my face here for a second. I'm trying to hold the camera, like the phone, a certain way so you guys can actually get full screen, because everybody's like, oh, you can't hold your phone up and down. But anyway, this is what's going on, guys. Obviously, there's a lot of changes here. A lot. All right. Just got parts and cars and got cameras. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh boy. So I'm betching the radio's on, so I can't stay in here too long. But yeah, all new windows in the front of the place. We got the place sided. It's just been insane. Insane. God, I don't know, 60 plus vehicles for sale right now. Which I'm partnered in, guys. I mean, this isn't all mine. I mean, I just freaking, basically I run the body shop here. This is my corner of freaking disaster right here and over here. I got crap everywhere. Everywhere. But I want to show you guys something. I don't know where my Cleco pliers are. Maybe they're in the Cleco drawer. There we go. I want to show you guys Clecos. Randy introduced these to me a couple years ago when I was working on the Farty. Obviously, we got a really rusty 05 F-150, and I bought a couple panels for it, wheel well panels. This is one, obviously, I'm trimming up. All right. This panel here, this lower panel, I made it. We'll show you what we got over here, though. This is basically what the other side was. Not quite as bad, though. I actually had a little bit of center section here on the other side left. But you guys can buy these panels. All right. They're like, I don't know, 130 bucks or something for the pair. But the problem is, with these panels, and same thing on the Dodges, they basically go from this line, and they go up, just about into that 4x4 decal. They go across through the gas door, and back down to where the tan is. Alright, and, I mean, it's all good, but the problem is, a lot of these trucks, like this one, doesn't include that part. So the smaller parts like that I'll make. Just the wheelhouses, I can't really make them quite as good as I want because I don't have these dies for my bead roller that I really need to get, so I can actually do this, do that seam for the wheel wells. But I want to show you Clecos. Clecos are like a temporary rivet. I'll show you what they do here. You got these special pliers, and these things are removable. Basically, you drill an 1/8 inch hole, and then you stick these in there. It's better than like self-tapping screws, things like that. Alright, basically drill a hole and then in and out with these Clecos. I've used them probably 20-30 times so far. Alright, I mean, this is what we're dealing with on the inside. I left a lot of this here. I haven't cut a lot of it out yet, just so for the forming and fabrication purposes. Let's see if I could do all this one-handed here. I'll just take this panel right off here. These things are pretty cool. And now that I have a metal brake and a stretcher shrinker machine here, I can make a lot of these pieces that I really couldn't make before and make them all in one piece. I know this panel is just going to fall off. Actually, we'll get this one off here first. Simple as that. Like I said, I bent this panel out of just one piece of steel. Okay. They want like $60 for this repair panel. And I bent this thing up in, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. But that's Clecos. Alright. Figure it's something you guys can, I think you can buy a set of these for, I don't know, I think I paid 150 bucks. But I bought, they came with the pliers, and like I said, these are 1/8 inch, okay? And the thing is, I can put this panel right back on here. They come in different sizes. I really haven't used any of the different sizes. They actually have these little, they're little clamps, so you could use the Cleco pliers. This might be hard to do one-handed though. Yeah, almost need 2 hands for this. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do it. Try it like this. There we go. And they're little clamps. So if you're putting a couple pieces of metal together, you don't drill holes. You can actually use these Cleco clamps. Alright, show you another thing that's cool. You ever get into something and you want to mold some body lines? Oh, we got a Cleco stuck to it here. Like I said, there's different sizes. This one's a little bit bigger. These are actually a little bigger also. It was a whole kit. It was like I think it was like 150 bucks for all these things. But this tool here, if you're like trying to contour a piece of steel, I mean basically this would be your steel, a flat piece. But if you're trying to make something funky, see that? And this helps you a lot. This helps you tons when you're trying to bend up a piece of metal on the, you know, off the vehicle. Look at that. I think you could buy these at just local hardware stores. So there you go. A little introduction of a couple new tools for you if you haven't seen them. I'm going to try to get some more videos going. Guys, obviously you see around here, it's been a zoo. like unbelievable. We're working 9-10 hours a day, 6 days a week. It's just insane. Oh, I'll show you another thing too. Picked up. It's over here at Matt's lift. Picked up a 03 Ram. Got 150 something thousand miles on it. It was actually a repo, one that we had sold a while back, and we repoed it. So there's going to be a bunch of videos on this truck. This is going to be one of my plow trucks. Needs rocker panels, needs wheel well panels, little panels under here, a gate, which I already bought the gate for it. I bought some different flares for it. Gonna be putting a hood on it, painting the whole truck. It's 03 Ram 2500. It's got the 5.7 Hemi in it. I know a lot of you guys don't like Dodges. Actually didn't for a while either, but we sell a lot of these trucks, and they're good. They're good trucks. So I figure I'm gonna try one of these out for a plow truck, and you know, see how we go. I mean, might like it, might not like it. That's what's nice though. If I don't like it, I could sell it. But I still have the Ford. Pooper duty still kicking. Look at this. The rust. And I'm not fixing this. I'm actually just getting this thing mechanically decent, and I'm going to sell it. Power steering lines, brake calipers, pads, rotors, battery, exhaust system. It's like I think this one's an 01 with 84,000 original miles. Thing runs like a Swiss watch. But it's rusty. Frame's solid, so it's something I could actually sell to somebody that's going to be mechanically decent. If they want to put a body tub on it, they could do it. I'm going to be in a neighborhood of about $1,500 for this thing when I go to sell it. It's got a hard top. Interior's nice on it. Steel doors. I mean, this thing's worth more than that in just parts. But like I said, it's going to be mechanically all set, ready to rock out. And I'm going to sell it. I still got the Super Duty out there. Oh, let's go out in the rain. You guys remember Rusty Wrangler? I know a couple of you wanted some updates on it. So he brought it back to me. He wanted to put all new floors and floor supports in it. The bodywork held up well, actually extremely well, except for where he welded it. He started welding his own floorboards in, so it started bubbling there. But you guys remember what we had to do to this Jeep. This side actually looks pretty good. A little bubble there, something going on. You remember it was all rotted under here. I mean, it's all here. And how long ago did I do this Jeep? 3 years? But right here where we welded the floorboards to it, to the sides, you can see a couple pretty good bubbles there. This is another one of mine. This is an 02 with like 135 on it. I had to do a little bit of work back here. A little bit of work on the fenders. This one's Sahara. 6-cylinder, 4.0, automatic, air, tilt, cruise. Got every freaking option. Look at the interior. It's a nice Jeep. 132 on it. Got a brand new top on it. I'm gonna sell this one. Probably right around 4,000 bucks. Son of a bitch. And we still got old Pooper Duty. Couple parts Jeeps out back. Just stuff everywhere. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you get going. Just wanted to give you an update what's going on. And yeah, like I said, hopefully we can get back to some videos. It's been insane here, guys. I get no downtime. I actually came in here early today just so I can do a video for you guys. So all that being said, you'll have a goody. Thank you for watching. And like I said, we'll try to ramp up these videos. A little bit better quality, you know, with the actual work than what we've done in the past. I mean, I was working out of a crappy barn, just kind of hacking some trucks up together. And yeah, get you through, you know, for your own stuff. But I'm trying to ramp it up so I can, you know, do a little better quality jobs for you guys. So you can actually learn how to do a lot of this correctly. So again, have a goody goody. I'm out. Off.